everyone, I'm Alice. Welcome to Clay House. Wow! Today, I will build pink bedroom with bunk bed, clay slide for girl. After making the house frame, we will make the frame for the castle. Use this clay and cardboard to make a cute pink bed. Make it more beautiful. Completed. Next, let's make a headbed for this. Two cute pillows. Next, I will make a wardrobe for girl. Cover this cardboard. Use scissors to cut off excessive things. My wardrobe is complete. Let's make a cute lamp. It's done! Wow! So beautiful room! I will make a stair by using cardboard. Let's complete the castle with me. Wow! I will make a few things for this house. Let's watch with me.
Silent now, we don't say a word. We're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so goddamn easy as you think. I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. We pick up the pieces and start again. Don't give up, we're holding on. For what it's worth, I'll try to change. We can't fix our broken hearts. Loving me is not so goddamn easy as I think. You try your best to hold up, but I see it
Wow.
convenient. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I don't wanna change who you are. What you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. Guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry.
My pink bedroom with bunk bed, clay slide for girl is finished. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any ideas for your next home, let me know in the comments. Clay House love you.